What if I tell you that AI can become your second income source? You don't need coding skills, you don't need a big investment, and you don't need years of experience. Right now, people around the world are using artificial intelligence to make money online, from home, with just a laptop and internet. Some are earning a few dollars a day, and some are making full-time income with AI. In this video, you will learn the best ways to make money with AI, explained in detail, step by step. So stay with me till the end. Today's topic is how to make money with AI. These methods are suitable for beginners, students, freelancers, teachers, and anyone who wants to earn online using smart tools. Let's start. 1. Freelancing with AI tools. The first and most practical way to make money with AI is freelancing. AI tools like ChatGPT and other writing assistants can help you create high-quality content in minutes. You can use AI to write articles, blog posts, emails, product descriptions, social media captions, and scripts. Once the content is generated, you simply review it, improve it slightly, and deliver it to clients. You don't need perfect English, because AI helps correct grammar, tone, and structure. You can offer these services on freelancing platforms where thousands of clients are already searching for content writers. Clients pay for results, not for how the work is done. This method allows beginners to start earning quickly, and with experience, income increases steadily. 2. AI content writing and blogging. Another powerful way to earn money with AI is content writing and blogging. AI can help you write long-form articles, SEO content, website pages, and affiliate reviews. You can either write for clients or create your own blog. When you create your own blog, AI helps you research topics, write optimized content, and structure articles in a way that search engines like. Once your blog starts getting traffic, you can earn money through advertisements and affiliate links. This is not instant income, but it is long-term and passive. One well-written article can earn money for months or even years. 3. YouTube automation. Using AI YouTube automation is one of the fastest-growing AI income methods. AI helps you generate video ideas, write scripts, create voiceovers, and even plan visuals. You don't need to show your face or record your own voice. You can create videos about facts, stories, motivation, education, or business. AI handles most of the creative work, while you focus on uploading and consistency. Once your channel grows, YouTube pays through ads, and you can also earn through sponsorships and affiliate marketing. Many people manage multiple channels using AI, turning it into a full business. 4. AI voiceover and audiobook creation. AI voice technology has created a new earning opportunity. Using AI voices, you can create professional quality voiceovers for videos, advertisements, and presentations. You can also convert written content into audiobooks. Many content creators, authors, and businesses need voiceovers, but don't want to record themselves. AI voices solve this problem. You can offer voiceover services or upload audiobooks to digital platforms. This method works well because demand is high and competition is still low. 5. AI graphic design and image creation. iImage tools allow anyone to create attractive designs without advanced design skills. You can use AI to create thumbnails, posters, logos, social media graphics, book covers, and marketing visuals. Small businesses and content creators constantly need such designs. AI generates ideas and visuals, and you only make small adjustments. This saves time and increases productivity. You can sell these design services or create digital products using AI-generated visuals. 6. Selling AI prompts. AI works best when given good instructions, known as prompts. If you learn how to write effective prompts, you can sell them to people who want ready-to-use solutions. Businesses, marketers, and creators pay for prompts that save time and improve results. You create prompts once and sell them multiple times. This makes prompt selling a scalable and digital income source. 7. AI video editing and shorts creation. Short videos are dominating social media. AI video tools can automatically edit clips, add subtitles, remove silence, and format videos for different platforms. You can use AI to create short videos for brands, influencers, and businesses. Clients often need regular content, which means recurring monthly income. This method combines creativity with automation and has strong earning potential. 8. Teaching and course creation with AIA. I can help you turn your knowledge into income. You can use AI to create course outlines, lesson scripts, presentations, and practice material. This makes teaching faster and more professional. Once the course is created, it can be sold repeatedly without extra effort.